2015 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. Beautiful truck, nice blue color. Got factory converters there, 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 and there. Total of 4. Then it comes true dual into a factory dual in single out muffler. We took that out and put a FLOWMASTER Super 10. Dual in, dual out. Be a link in the description for it. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Out the back straight. There and there. That's how you true dual them. Into factory double wall tip. Not factory, aftermarket double wall tips, as you guys can see. 4-inch in, 4-inch out. Came out really beautiful. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the exhaust that came off of it. There's the dual in, right there. And there's the tailpipe. Before, after. Much nicer, cleaner, more beautiful. 2011 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. Beast. It's a good friend of mine's truck. This is probably number 8 or 10 we've done for them. They always bring us all their trucks and cars, and he had a red Mustang that we have on the channel. He had a Chevy we have on the channel. Really nice guy. Got factory converters there and there. Secondary converters there and there, right there and right there. Then it is dual from the factory, true dual. And guess what we did? We continued that true dual all the way back. Out the sides on each side, mandrel bent tailpipes, into 6-inch massive tips rolled there and there. And make sure you guys always zip tie the brake lines away, just in case. And there it is right there. There's the 6-inch tip here, and there's the 6-inch tip there. 2010 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. What we got done on it for you guys is factory converters. 2 there, 1 there, 1 there. Another one right there and right there. Then it comes true dual from the factory into a single muffler. But what we did is we cut it off and true dualed it all the way back with LCGPs. Part number SHR254016. There'll be a link in the description for them. They're 2.5-inch inlet, 2.5-inch outlet, 12 inches long. So we true dualed it. They look like bullets. They're really cool. All the way back. Then we did 2 1/4 tailpipes, because they sound the best when you do 2 1/4 on each side. Gives it that perfect resonance and noise. Then you got 2 angle cut tips rolled out the back, 4-inch on each side, right there and right there. There'll be a link for those also. As you guys can see, that's the whole dual system. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. There's the muffler that we cut off, how it comes in dual in, and then it comes single out the back, right there. And Nissans are known, whenever you see your tailpipe flapping, that flange right there rots out on brakes. So, something to know. There it is, after. Sounds better than the other one. Oh. Wow. What do you hear when you get on it, right? There's sound decibels? That sounds phenomenal. Hope you guys like it. We do. Such a nice item. I love it. It says, give me gas. I need it. I need to breathe. Let's you guys hear on the inside. What we got for you is a 2011 Nissan Titan Flex Fuel 4x4 5.6 liter beast. Go ahead with 6-inch tips, true dual. Sound is so loud. There's looks so good too. Look at that. Came out beautiful. I think you'll be really happy with it. And you wanted the tips all tucked in like that, so it's really clean. Look at that. Really, really clean. Barely see it at the edge. That's just sexy. Sexy! If you guys don't think this is sexy, you need to get off the channel. That's what I think. True dual Nissan Titan. Beast. Let you guys hear on the inside. Babe! That's it right there, right? That sounds phenomenal. Look at that crack. There's sound decibels? A little bit higher. 102. It's probably louder than that. Because it's pointing straight out the back. That sounds really good. You hear that idle? Perfect. You were telling me like you want that idle. Boom, 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 boom. And then I got to tune it up. She's running like a champ. That sounds phenomenal. LCGP, man. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Titan. Look guys, it's snowing. It's snowing.